Welcome back to Saltgirls Adventures, and yep, you guessed right, we're back in the Lake District. This time in Grasmere, taking on Wainwright number 57, Stone Arthur.
We stopped over the night before at the 17th century Swan Inn. Mentioned by Wordsworth in his poem, The Waggoner, the Swan is tucked beneath the dramatic fells and a short walk from the picturesque Grasmere village.
This coaching inn was frequented by William Wordsworth, who would sometimes eat breakfast here with Sir Walter Scott. The chair he sat on has remained on the premises ever since and is on display for visitors to see.
Our hike began from the inn itself. It's not often, hardly ever in fact, that you get to see the summit of the hill you're about to climb from your start point.
That's where we're heading, guys, up the top of there. That's the peak of Stone Arthur, 503 metres. We're going to take a right here and follow the public footpath up the Greenhead Gill and Orcock Tarn. I'm being taken for a walk by Luna. Oh, very pretty. This wall reminds us of the movie Labyrinth. The little worm sticks his head out.
Come inside, meet the missus. Come inside and have a nice cup of tea.
How clear that water is. Lovely jubbly. Nice little pretty gill running alongside us here, Greenhead Gill. On the way up. Hoping to avoid the rain today. So, just come to the top of this little road here. And then we're going to go straight through this gate. AJ taking the awkward route. He's going to be a stuntman when he gets older. So, come through the gate. Right takes you to Old Cock Tarn. Left takes you up to Stone Arthur. We'll follow this dry stone wall for about a mile. So we're about to attempt the steep part.
It's slippy.
Got some nice stone steps to follow. AJ's already off. Bex, adventure is out there. Waterfall steps. So it's about midday, is it? About 12 o'clock. Decided to have a nice late checkout for a change from the hotel. It's deep already, this one. What do you reckon, AJ? Good? They get a thumbs up? Yeah, man. So almost at the top of these stone steps. Quick little switch around. There you've got Grasmere village. Grasmere Lake itself, a little island in the middle. You've got Loft Rig, which is a Wainwright over there. Just in front of us you've got Silver How. We've done those two before. Box gloves are out. So we thought we were actually going to go through this little metal gate into the woods, but access denied. So instead we're going to carry on this little stone and gravel path. Lisa Saltgirl got her plats in today. I think she's Laura Croft. Womb Raider. So when you get to this bit, the arrow's telling you to go. Which way's the arrow telling you to go? Do you reckon that's that way? I think it could be this way. Let's check the map. Shall we check the map? No, I think it's this way because that's going back down, isn't it? There's Helm Crag, Silver How, Loft Rig, AJ. What can you see? What can you see? Oh, hotel. Ah, yeah. Just make it up, can't you? Got some cracking views opening up here. Look at that. You can see that little gill coming down there. So when we were walking up that lane earlier, you had that those waterfalls, those little cascades. Next to the lane, that's Greenhead Gill, which runs up that hill to the top, and there's a tarn at the top called Old Cock Tarn. And we were thinking about picking that up, and we're heading up that way to Stone Arthur, coming along the ridge, and then dropping back down that way where the footpaths match up.
I've been
We've got to cross this little bit of this little mini waterfall here. Going across. Come on then. Take it easy because those rocks will be slippy, mate. Your hand. Ready? Big jump. Big jump. What do you want? 2, 3, go! Just noticed a nice little good little wild swimming spot over there. About halfway around now. Cracking views. Spot on as well, eh? Nice tree, look. There's the hotel. Swan Hotel. Sweaty bits. Well, guys, 0.5 miles to the summit. You can just make it out over there. Well, the terrain's changed again. On the grass now. Not too far off the summit now, though. Not much further to go, come on. Just make out all cocked on there. We're almost in the clouds now, look. There's the summit. Hope it'll remain clear while we're at the top. That's definitely in the clouds today, guys. About 600 feet to the top now. That's a little bit of a scramble. These 2 snow coaches catching us up. Should see 4 snow coaches. Nearly there, buddy. Ooh. Definitely pulling the cobwebs out of what I did. It's a view at the top, like, is it? Almost there now. This is the last little stretch. 300 feet to go. Go! Got to slap the summit at the top. Here we are, guys. Summit of Stone Arthur. 503 metres. Age is 37th Wainwright. And it's our 57th. Well done, dude. High five. Yeah!
Unfortunately, we were in the clouds at the top. However, whatever the weather, it's always an amazing feeling to stand on a Wainwright summit, especially with your loved ones.
So that's 10 Wainwrights ticked off by June this year. We'd love to hit 100 by the end of the year, so 43 to go. We have a couple of horseshoes planned this summer, so hopefully we'll be close. As always, thanks for watching and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.